Progress and others, 8 others, versus Electoral Commission of Namibia, plus others.
Appearances?
President, please, call my notes, and I hear on behalf of the applicant.
Please support the vote. You see the record. For the second response.
First of all, I would like to thank Council for their very able arguments and presentation of their respective cases. Secondly, I would like to thank the parties, their supporters and the public for their patience during the proceedings and the peaceful and exemplary manner in which they conducted themselves. The main judgment in this matter has been prepared by my brother, Mr. Justice Parker. I concur in the result which he proposes. I have, however, prepared additional reasons of my own because, in some respects, I arrive at the same result for different reasons. The election application before us was brought in terms of Section 110 of the Electoral Act, number 24 of 1992 as amended. The applicants seek to set aside the National Assembly election held on 27 and 28 November 2009 and the presidential election held on the same dates. Alternatively, they seek orders declaring the said two elections null and void and an order directing the first respondent to recount in vitro the votes cast in the said two elections. There is other ancillary relief sought, which it is not necessary to make reference to. For the reasons that we herewith hand down, the court makes the following order, and the reasons will be available with the registrar not later than 4 o'clock this afternoon. Their copies are being made. 1. The election application lodged on 14 January 2010, challenging the presidential election held on 27 and 28 November 2009 and duly declared on 4 January 2010 in Government Gazette number 246, Government Notice 246, Government Gazette number 4397 of 2009, is struck from the roll of costs, including the cost occasioned by the employment of 4 instructed counsel in the case of the first respondent and 2 instructed counsel in the case of the second respondent. The applicants are liable to pay such costs jointly and severally, the one paying, the other to be absolved. 2. The election application lodged on 4 January 2010 challenging the results of the National Assembly election held on 27 and 28 November 2009 and declared on 4 January in the same government notice and gazettes as aforesaid, is equally struck from the roll of costs, including costs occasioned by the employment of 4 instructed counsel in the case of the first respondent and 2 instructed counsel in the case of the second respondent. The applicants are liable to pay such costs jointly and severally, the one paying, the other to be absolved. That's the order of the court.
I agree.
We rise now.
Rise.